Hello and welcome back. Today's episode is going to be short and sweet. It's based on a very simple grammatical structure when we want somebody to do something. And the reason why I'm doing this today is because here in Spain at least, many students continue to get this wrong. So let's keep it nice and simple and I'll start off with some examples. Herman wants his company to increase his salary. Susanna wants the shop to give her a refund. And the manager wants us to finish the project today. So the structure is subject plus verb plus object plus verb. Now, I like to think of this as subject plus verb plus object plus to. He wants me to finish the report. They want us to work this weekend. So it's really, really, really simple. Let's have a look at some more examples now when we're using simply pronouns. So I went to the doctor the other day. She wants me to walk 25 minutes a day. She wants me to walk 25 minutes a day. She wants us to finish the project by the weekend. My wife wants me to cook dinner tonight. She wants me to cook dinner tonight. We don't just use this with want, we can also use it with would like, need, ask. My wife has asked me to cook tonight. My kids would like me to cook tonight. They need me to work at the weekend. She would like her boss to give her a day off. She wants me to work this weekend. Hello? Hello, honey. Yeah. Can you stop off and get some fish and chips on the way home? There's nothing in the fridge. Fantastic. All right. I'll see you in a bit. Bye for now. I want her to get some fish and chips on the way home. Hey, John. Good to see you. Looking good. Do you think you could get those designs sent over by Friday? We're in a bit of a desperate situation here. Sure, no problem. I'm looking at them now. I can probably get them finished by Friday. Is that okay? Great. Perhaps we could catch up soon for a drink or two. I look forward to it. Let's have a look at some real life examples now in some newspaper headlines. Like I said, this lesson is pretty simple and I want to keep it short and sweet. So to finish off, I've got a little exercise for you to do. All you need to do is to create some sentences using the structure we've been practicing today. Okay? I look forward to seeing you again in the next episode.